Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to unlock 18 plus content on Telegram. Sometimes, when using Telegram, you might see that certain groups, channels, or media are blocked because they are marked as 18 plus. This usually happens by default to keep content safe for everyone. But, if you are above 18 and want to view such content, Telegram gives you the option to unlock it directly from the settings. The process is very simple, and you can do it in just a few steps. First, open the Telegram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, tap on the three lines from the top left corner of the screen to open the main menu. Here, tap on Settings from the list of options. Once you are inside the Settings page, tap on Chat Settings. Now, scroll down until you find the option called Show 18 Plus Content. Turn the toggle on for this option to enable it. After you switch it on, a small confirmation box will appear on the screen. Tap on Confirm to save your changes. Now Telegram will refresh, and you will be able to join and view groups or channels that share age-restricted content. This option helps you control what kind of content you want to see. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you at the next one.